the front door of Kirov Academy, and I am going to give you a tour of the school. So here is the front lobby where everyone can wait, pick up their packages, and yeah. Basically, if you go right in front, like that, this is the printing room for the RAs and everything. This is Studio E. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, can we just open it? And this is Studio E. We do not practice ballet in here, but this is one of our music rooms for like academic music, not like piano learning music. Then if you go here, this is the library. We can get books, and then there are some classes like Russian class and life skills class in here. And yeah, so that's the library. Okay, let's go on to this one. Okay, so these are some statues, or I don't know what you call them, but they're here. And then here, it's a little boutique where you can get some Kirov items with the, Kirov logos. Then here is the RA office, where the resident life, right here. And this is Miss Tafura. Okay, and she's one of our favorite RAs. And if you go to the RA office, this is the artistic board, and it's where all the schedules are here. And then this is the art board. Hello. Tour of the school. And then this is the nurse's office. And if you have any injuries, you can come in here and tell the nurse. This is Nurse Nadia. She's a very good nurse. Thank you. And if you come across, this is the music room for music students. You can learn to play the piano. There are some violins. And then here there are some snacks where everyone keeps their snacks. And yep. Okay, now we are going to walk into one of the studios. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, these are our pretty windows that we take photos in. If you see our Instagram or anything, we would usually be doing some arabesques here, like this, like taking a photo. Okay. These are very good windows to take photos in. Okay, so this is Studio B. No one's in here currently, but this is a very big studio. It's used for jazz classes and sometimes private lessons. Yeah, it's a big mirror. It's very good. Yeah. You come here, it is, well, they're having a class here. It's Studio A, and their classroom, and yeah, they are currently having partner in class, so I shouldn't bother them. So yeah. Sorry.
Right here, the fire door. They're doing something with it, and it's not working.
So, yeah.
I think the batteries are dying.
So this is the costume shop, and then they're making costumes here, nutcracker,
Not to move like this.
Yeah.
So that the elastic will.
and then this is where the costumes are, and
Can we just
yeah.
get rid of all this and just have the regular sleeve?
So one of our students is trying on a YGV costume. And then, yeah. So this is like the hallway where there's like the classrooms. This is the math room, the science room, the French room, and then the World Cultures Room. Then there are some other classrooms which I will show you later. This is the exercise room. If you guys can tell, there's some running, there's an elliptical, and then some muscle building things. And then, yeah. And then if you come over here, this is the recreation room. Yay! So this is where everyone comes, like if they're like tired and they want to have fun. This is the big wall with the art on it. And then, yeah. And then this is one of our classrooms. It's the Esl Room. It's where the English second language ESL students study here, and then there are some computers in the back. And if you can see, there are some sofas so that everyone can, relax. And then there's a foosball table. There is a pool table, and everyone at Kirov loves to do pool. And yeah, and this is one of our other classrooms, the English room. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you go down here, there's like a staircase. It's like really cold down here. That's the facilities office. Never came to the facility office. This is the art room. It's where you do art. And then we will go back up, and I will show you outside of the rec room, literally outside. So let's go out. So gonna go out quickly. Let me just door. Okay, so this is the outside area. Sometimes there are campfires to roast marshmallows, if you can see that. And then there's like a table here where you can hang out. Then the workers, or like the RA and everything, can come up from this staircase and come in. If you go downstairs, there are more benches. And then you can see one of our studios that I will show you later. Here, it's one of our teachers. It's a big studio. Okay, then that's the parking lot, as you can tell. And I will go back in because it's very cold. Then, let's see. Okay.
As soon as
Okay, sorry. They had a conversation over there. Okay, but yeah, and then recently we got a new color printer. Yay! Now we have a color printer, so it's gonna print out in color. And then, well, that's kind of the rec room, but I think it's one of the most places that I, play in. So yeah. Now I think I will head on to the cafeteria. Hello.
Because they want to do little.
Okay, so this is the cafeteria. Right now, it's right after lunch, so there's no food here. But this is where they put the plates, the soup, and then some little items, and then this is where they put the main food. Then here we have some nuts, fruits, and then some bread, toaster, and ketchup, salt, whatever you need. And then here, ice machine, coffee, and then some juice, and then water. And then we have some mugs if you want to, you don't want to use any paper cups. And then we have the little fridges. Since we go to Walmart every Thursday, people buy a lot of food there, and if you want to keep some ice cream or anything there, you can store it there. And this is the laundry room. Since we live here, we always need to do our laundry. So we have, apparently we only have 2 laundry machines. This one's broken, sadly. And then this one's a dryer, 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 dryer. And then some people fold their clothes here in this table, and some people fold their clothes in their room. And then these are some lockers where some students put their own snacks in if they don't want to put it in the music room. And this is where they have some trash bags and anything to put your trash in. So yeah, that's basically the downstairs. And I will be heading to the downstairs studios. The teachers are always could be talking, so the Kirov tradition, or any ballet school, you would usually, when you see your teacher, you would usually curtsy to them. And here we are in the lobby. Again, we're going downstairs. A lot of people came here for partnering right now. So, yeah. Okay, going. Hi. And then it's one of everyone's here getting ready for partnering class. Hi, Ariel. Say hi. Okay, this is Ariel. Kind of.
What?
Yeah, it's like a video. But that's Ariel, one of our 7 and 8 students. Also a senior. And if we go downstairs, it's Studio C and D. Okay. Okay, there are gonna be a lot of people here. Oh, and forgot to tell you, these are some rehearsal tutus here. As you can see. And then these are the studios, Studio D, and that's Studio C. And these are some of our students. Hi. Okay. And then that's the downstairs studios. I think they have rehearsal or something, so better not distract them. Yeah. They're having partnering. Can you hear me? I hope you can. They're having partnering. Hello. Okay, they're having partnering class. Yeah, they're having partnering. And then, basically, the tour of the whole school. Okay, and then we are done for today. That was today's tour. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Kirov Academy, and bye guys!